Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about debugging in Terraform. So debugging is the process of finding the root cause of a specific issue. 30 to 40% of the time of a system administrator goes into the debugging. So example, SSS verbosity, one of the important requirement in debugging is getting the detail log depending on the application. The approach to get the detail log will differ. Okay, so Terraform has detail log that you can enable by the setting of environment variable like tf_log to any value. You can set tf_log to one of the log label in order of decreasing verbosity. So here we have the log level in the order of decreasing verbosity. So trace will have most of the log, then after that debug will have less log than trace, info will have less log than debug. Okay, then after that warning and error. So whenever you are running Terraform apply, Terraform like plan, so by default Terraform use info log label. But if you want to get more detail of the log, then you can go for debug or trace. But in the real world scenario, you will be using log label as debug if you want to debug the something, if you want to debug the some issues. Okay, so there are some way that we can define the log label. So we have to define tf_log, okay, and the log label we want, and we can also like store this log into the specific file. So by defining tf_log_path. Okay, so there the approach is quite different whenever you are using some like operating system. If you are using Windows, then you can use set and the tf_log. But if you are using Linux or Mac OS, then you have to use command like export to set the log level. Okay, so let's go ahead and see it how we can set up the log level. So I am writing the script here. I have written the script here to create one EC2 instance. Okay, and then after that I have run Terraform init. Okay, so what I will do now, I will set up the environment variable here in the VS Code. Okay, so whenever you are running your Terraform from VS Code, you have to follow the same approach, but approach will be differ according to the environment and the terminal. Okay, whatever tool you are using to run your Terraform script. So in the in the VS Code we have to use something like $env that we have already seen here. Okay, the same thing we have to use it here. So let me write it, not just copy here. Okay, and the tf_log is equal to what we want. We want it to debug. Okay, so we have already set up. So let me close this terminal and run without defining the environment variable. Okay, so let me run Terraform init again. Okay, then I will run Terraform plan and let's see how much log we are getting. Okay, so Terraform plan is getting executed. So let's go up. So we are not getting the sufficient log here, right? We are just getting the plan, whatever plan that our script will execute. Okay, So it's going to create one resource and it's going to attach the EVS value, okay, that we are not going to see here. So if we define like log level to debug, let's like set it the environment variable here and again run terraform plan. Okay, so as we can see here, we are getting a lot of info here. Okay, so we have debug log level here using GitLab 𝗧𝗨𝗧𝗢𝗥𝗜𝗦 and the things, ignoring a lot of information about our plan. Okay, so this is the important for debugging purpose whenever you want to troubleshoot any issue whenever you are running your Terraform script. Okay, so if we want to save this log, okay, this log, whatever log we have, to a specific file, then how we can do it? So let's go ahead and say it, env $env and the colon and tf_log_path is equal to terraform.txt. okay, so we don't have any file till now, right? As you can see, we don't have any terraform.txt file, right? So let's run this and now run terraform plan again. Okay, so we have set up the log path file here, that is path file name is terraform.txt. here the all log related to this plan will get saved. Okay, so let's run terraform plan. As you can see here, terraform.txt file got created and the plan or the plan log will get saved into this file. So let's open this file and let me scroll it down. So as you can see here, we can see all the log related to the plan. Okay, so we have large amount of like log here that we are using the like log level to debug. Okay, so like this we can define the log level and we can save the file, log file as well. Okay, whenever we want to troubleshoot any kind of issue while running our Terraform script, right? But you have seen this way, so I want to show you how we can define it using command prompt as well. So let me open the CMD. Okay, I am under user bpin, so I have to go to the where the Terraform configuration is there. So I will go to cd downloads. Okay, sorry syntax issue. Okay, then after that cd and what is the name that we have, Terraform practical. Okay, so if we run Terraform plan here, will not get any like log level here. Okay, we are just getting the plan, right? So how we can define the log level here? We have to use set tf_log is equal to info. So hit enter, then again run Terraform plan. So we are getting the log level, right, to info. We are getting the logs here, right? We can see it here. It's also like really useful whenever we want to debug something. But if you want to change the log level to debug, we can quickly do it. And let's run Terraform plan again. Okay, So as you can see, we have more log than info log level. Now we have quite huge log now whenever we set up our log level to debug, right? So let me go ahead and delete this file from here, okay, and I will go to the CMD because I want to show you the like where we can save this log, okay, the log level, okay. So we have to use set and the tf underscore log underscore path is equal to terraform dot txt, okay. And if I run terraform plan again, so will not get the log in the terminal. Whatever log is there, that log will get saved in the whatever path we have mentioned here. So we are not getting the log, right? Here we are not getting. So the because of like we have already defined the log level 2, we have already defined the path where log will get saved. So let's go ahead and see that. I will go to the downloads, Terraform practical, and the terraform.txt. Where is that? Yeah, so here we have terraform.txt, okay. So if we open this, we'll get all the log, right? Terraform version and all the detail of whatever our plan is going to do. And if we are facing any challenges while running our Terraform script, we can look here in the log and we can troubleshoot the issue according to the whatever issue we are facing. So as you can see, we have set up the log level to debug. So we are getting the log level according to the debug log level, right? So it's a quite big file, okay. So this is whenever we are using command prompt, and we have already seen whenever we using like VS Code, how we can set up the log level and how we can set up the log level path as well, okay. But let's go back to the document. So whenever you are using Linux or Mac OS, then you have to use export command to set up the log level, and using the export command using only you can define the log level path where you want. So this is how we can set up the log level for debugging purpose in Terraform. So one more thing that I want to show you, okay. So we have set up the terminal environment variable here. That is not permanent, but if you want to like make your environment variable permanent, then you have to set up the same log level as using environment variable, system environment variable, that you did while installing the Terraform, okay. In the same way, you have to define another environment variable. If you want this environment variable should be permanent, then you in that case you have to set up system environment variable, okay. So this is the just a terminal environment variable, okay. If I open new terminal here, okay, and if I run Terraform plan, then you will be not able to see the detail log here, okay. So you are not seeing the detail log here. Let me close this and let me reopen. So all the environment variable that we have previously defined, that will be gone, okay. And let me delete this. Let me open another file here, another terminal here, okay. And let's run Terraform plan again. I want to delete this. file. Okay. So as you can see, we are not getting the detail log, and we are not getting like log saved in any file here, right? As previously we are getting the our log was getting saved in the terraform.txt file, that I have deleted and I have opened the new terminal. So our whatever environment variable we have defined, that was terminal specific. Okay. So if you want to make your environment variable permanent, then you have to define using system environment variable. That you have done it using whenever you was installing the Terraform on your system. So in the same way you have to define the environment variable if you want this log level environment variable to be permanent. So let me go back to the document. Okay. So there is another key point. To persist log output, you can set up tf_log_path in order to force the log to be always append to a specific file that we have seen already when logging is enabled. Okay. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion, do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.